Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want a great-looking website without the headache of complicated tools or learning code, listen up. I'm sharing my review of Squarespace in 2026. I'll be covering why Squarespace is awesome, my honest take after years of using it, the newest cool stuff they added, and most importantly, how to save big with my special discount link. Why Squarespace is the easy solution. Because you can get a professional, great-looking website without needing complicated tools or learning how to code. Today we'll go over my quick review, the game-changing 2026 updates, and how to get an exclusive discount to launch your site. Let's dive into my quick review. I've been using Squarespace for over 3 years now, and I stand by it. I've made websites on Squarespace for my own blog, e-commerce shops, and even for clients, so I know its strengths inside and out. The process is so simple. Just drag and drop elements to build exactly what you want. You start with one of their beautiful, ready-made designs, and customize colors and pictures easily, with no mess. Squarespace keeps your site running smooth, helps people find you easily on Google thanks to built-in SEO tools, and their support is there anytime you need help. My honest rating is 9 out of 10. It's great for anyone starting out or running a small business because of how good it looks and works, making it worth the investment. The fresh updates for 2026 are truly game changers and show Squarespace is constantly evolving to meet modern needs. Now there's smart help that writes words for you, like blog posts or store descriptions. Just tell the AI what you need, and it creates content that's perfect and optimized for search engines. A new, super clear dashboard shows exactly who is visiting your site, what they are doing, and how you're making money, giving you all the data-driven insights you need. The updated phone app is fantastic. It lets you fix things up anywhere, add photos, or change the look of your site right from your pocket. Plus, they added fancy moving video backgrounds, better ways to automatically email customers, and smarter shop tools to sell subscriptions or remind people who forgot to buy items. If you are a student, you can get a 50% discount on Squarespace. Check the link in the description to claim the official student offer. Verify your student status at checkout to unlock the discount. Before we wrap up, I have a special offer for you. You can try Squarespace completely free, and I have an exclusive discount code to help you save when you decide to launch. Squarespace offers a full 14-day trial with absolutely no credit card required. Jump in, play around with the tools, and start building your perfect site today. Need a deal or coupon? My link in the description gives you extra savings on top of their regular discounts. It's the best deal out there. Click it, start free, and get your website live today. Squarespace makes building a professional website accessible and simple, whether you're a beginner or a small business owner. The new 2026 features make it even more powerful. Don't wait any longer. Click my exclusive link in the description below to start your free trial and launch your site with maximum savings today. If this helped you, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a website, and subscribe for more tips. Let's build something awesome together.